Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a ton of laundry motivation. The last laundry video that I guys put out, you guys really seemed to enjoy, so I thought I'd go ahead and do another one. We have a little bit of a setback. We have let the laundry pile up. We have quite a bit to do today. I don't actually think I'm going to be able to get it all done in one day. So if you guys end up seeing an outfit change from me, it might be from tomorrow or even the next day. We're gonna see how much I can get done, but it's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't started yet. So, and I think I probably have about 5 or 6 loads to do today, so I don't think I'm gonna get it all done today. But we're gonna go ahead and go around the house, pick up the laundry that we need and get it started. I think I already do have one load downstairs that is ready to be folded. So we'll start folding that. And get the other loads into the laundry and kind of fold as we go. So that's the plan. Stick around if you are needing some major laundry motivation. Okay, so I wanted to just go ahead and take you guys through my entire house pretty much and just show you all of the laundry that I had lying around that we need to get done today. So as you guys can see, there is quite a bit in all of our bedrooms, plus in our bathroom. We each have a huge pile of laundry that needs to be done. So we're gonna have our work cut out for us today. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring everything into the living room and I'm gonna dump it all into one big pile, and then I can go ahead and sort it from there. I love sorting things this way because then I know that I have all of the laundry all together and I can just go ahead, separate it all into different piles, and then I kind of can keep an eye on it throughout the day. I know how much I have left, and it's just, I don't know, I just find it a lot easier to do it that way rather than taking it all down into the laundry room like one load at a time sort of thing. I just like it having it all separated it out up here, and then also I don't forget about it as well because I am horrible since our laundry room is downstairs and I typically am not downstairs very often. I lots of times will forget laundry, so I am like famous for putting things in the washing machine and then forgetting about it like overnight and then having to rewash it. It is such a pain in the butt. So this way, if I have it all sitting in my living room in front of me, I know like it's a constant reminder every time I walk past it. I'm like, oh yeah, laundry. Oh, there's laundry sitting there. I still have laundry to do. And it's just constantly on my mind until it's done.
Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's
okay. So now that everything is all sorted, I have brought it downstairs. I'm just going to do it load by load. There is a load down here that is already clean, so I'm going to go ahead and put this load in the washing machine, and I'm going to take the other load upstairs and fold that.
like this right now.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long. Guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win a surprise that you be with this tonight. So keep playing hard and
okay, so like I said, there was a load downstairs that was already complete, so we're going to go ahead and just dump this all on the floor and we're going to start folding. Where do you guys typically like to fold laundry? Is laundry like, are you watching this because you hate doing laundry and you're needing motivation, or is laundry like something relaxing for you? And also, as you guys can see here, I am looking very confused and I am about to realize that this laundry that I think that was complete is not complete at all. So yeah, I started folding this shirt, realized it had a huge stain on it, and I'm like going through trying to figure out, no, it's dirty. So that whole time I thought I had a load of clean laundry, like I told you guys in the beginning. Lots of times I forget laundry when it's down there, so I thought I had a clean load. No, I hadn't even started that load that was down there, so I have nothing to fold until this load goes into the dryer and we're gonna actually wash that load that I thought was clean. So, you know, that's, I don't know if that's mom life or lazy person life or what that is, but let's just call it a struggle, I guess.
Like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around.
Okay, so it's a couple of hours later and I am now in my pajamas with my makeup off, and I finally have a clean load of laundry that I can fold with you guys. I was so mad at myself. I was like, oh, I'm gonna make this laundry video. I have so much laundry to do and it's gonna be awesome. And then I realized that, yeah, I didn't even have any clean laundry. But anyways, here we go. We're gonna finally get to fold some laundry. And like I said in the beginning, this is actually gonna end up taking over the course of a couple of days, just because I was doing a bunch of other stuff. It was a really busy week. Things are just starting to get a little bit more hectic for me around here. Of course, now I've got the 2 kids. I have my almost 5-month-old and my almost 4-year-old. So that's crazy on its own. But I also actually just started working as well. Very part-time, very, very part-time. But I am noticing that it's like I have to think about YouTube more now, because it's taking away a couple of afternoons a week, when before I could just really film whenever I wanted. I didn't really have to think about a schedule. Now I'm starting to think that I'm going to need a filming schedule just so I can keep myself on track, because there's been a couple of times already where I was like, oh no, I need a video for tomorrow or whatever, and realized that I hadn't had time to film one. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, I got a part-time job, 2 afternoons a week, and like 3-hour shifts only. So I'm only working 6 hours a week. So it's not that big a deal, but but it's just enough where it's 2 afternoons a week, and I'm just like, oh, those are 2 afternoons that I can't film, you know, so, or edit or whatever. So yeah, so this video is taken over course of a couple of days. So it's basically a 2-day laundry motivation, and yeah, I definitely got myself caught up, and wouldn't you know it, I'm already back to needing to do a bunch more laundry again.
There's something different about the way we are. I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. That's the way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am waiting.
So now that I've got this stuff finished, I'm just going to put everything back in baskets and I'll put it away tomorrow because most of it has to go into either Holden's bedroom or my bedroom, and baby sleeps in my bedroom right now, and of course Holden was asleep as well. So I didn't want to go in there and risk waking the kids up. So I'm going to go ahead and just put everything in the basket. We'll put it away tomorrow. And then I'm going to actually take this load of laundry and I'm just going to shove it towards the stairs, and my boyfriend is going to come and pick it up and do it. So I was going to bed early. He was staying up late, so he was downstairs playing video games anyways. So he was going to take care of doing that load of laundry. And now as you guys can see, it's the next day. So I'm putting in a new load into the washing machine, and I'm going to take out the load from the dryer that he had done the night before, and then we can go ahead and fold that.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own. Where the wind's blowing, and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers ago.
Okay, so now that we have a bunch done, I'm going to go ahead and just start putting everything away. And I think I had said in my last laundry video as well that I need to get those dividers from Amazon. I keep forgetting it, but every time I go to put away laundry, I'm like, oh yeah, I need those dividers for both Holden's room as well as Dawson's room, because I kind of just have things shoved in there right now, and it's definitely not as organized as I would like, and it could definitely be a lot easier if I had those dividers. So let me know if you have them in your kids' closets or dressers, and let me know if you like them.
There's a storm coming, summer's just around the bend, and my bottle's empty once again, and my feet's burning on the roads we used to walk, where the rivers walked along with us. I can't stop thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years be better when the summer's gone.
So as I'm putting away the clothes in our room, I want to ask you guys if you have any kind of tips or tricks or hacks for storing clothes when you don't have a lot of storage space. Our closet is so small and we really only have room for one dresser in our bedroom because we do have a king size bed and it is a smaller room. So there's not really a lot of room for another dresser. And it's just, I just keep trying different things and I just can't seem to figure out the best way to make it work. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips, tricks, any sort of help or information for me on how to store clothes when you basically have no room to store clothes.
I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. But now remembering is all I know.
So as you guys can see, I'm still working from this huge pile in the living room, but it is slowly dwindling down. And I'm going to go ahead and put in one of the last loads that we're going to take care of. I'm going to swap this one. I'm going to put in one more and then we will come back later. And this is going to be like almost all of my clothes I like to hang to dry because I'm always worried that my stuff is going to shrink. So I always hang my stuff to dry. So we'll get to that in a little while later.
Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, so now it is later on in the day. As you guys can see, I'm once again in my pajamas. You guys are just getting like full-on pajamas in this video. So I've got this load out of the dryer that we're going to fold, and then I'm also going to take this load out of the washing machine, and this is the stuff that I had in there earlier. That's the stuff that needs to be hung. So we're going to go ahead, take this all upstairs. We're going to hang this stuff to dry, and then we're going to fold our last load of laundry for the video.
Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do it.
All right, you guys, so we are coming to an end. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy these types of videos. I definitely wanted to make another one because the last laundry video that I did got quite a few views, so I imagine that you guys are liking them. Let me know if you want me to make more like this. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Make sure and hit the subscribe button on the way out if you have not yet done so and you do enjoy my videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know